University. We are now going to meet a Bragg University alumni member who will share his experiences with you. For those of you who do not know, an alumnus is someone who has graduated from a university. Having said that, let us welcome Moshir Rahman, a graduate from the Bragg Business School, to share with you how he experienced his journey at Bragg University. Ladies and gentlemen, Moshir Rahman.
Honorable VC Sir, Professor Sir, Minister Sir, respected faculty members, the parents and the joiners. Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon to all. At the very beginning, I want to congratulate all the freshers for their successful admission in Bragg University. And I believe the new joiner expect a big round of applause from us, isn't it? So let's have a big round of applause for them. I am Moshir Rahman, a proud Bragg graduate. I did my graduation from BBS, Bragg Business School, with a major in marketing. Currently, I am working at Rubia Aziata Limited as a trade marketing specialist. But today, I am not here for Rubia Aziata Limited. Definitely, I am Bragg University. I am here today for sharing a little bit of my experience, what I have gathered from Bragg University, and which is helping in my day-to-day job life, definitely. Trust me, whenever you will be in the market, whenever you will be in the job market, you can clearly see the difference, you can clearly feel the difference, you can clearly see the privilege that you are getting from the job market. Yes, this is from my personal experience. I worked for Grameenphone, I have worked for Teletalk, I have worked for Every Nation, and currently I work for Rubia Aziata Limited. I always see this privilege, and all the MNCs give a special privilege to Bragg University. So, welcome you all again. If I consider myself, whatever or whoever I am today, this is simply because of Almighty Allah, my parents, and definitely Bragg Universities. This place is such a friendly environment it has that you will never feel alone, and that you will never feel as yourself as outsider here, because day by day we will consider this as a family. We will consider this as your home, right? The family members you will be surrounded by. So with that excellent curriculum and the help of most outstanding faculty members, definitely outstanding faculty members, you guys will get the superb guidance to become one of the worthy candidates in this extremely competitive job market. You know, day by day the job market is becoming fiercely competitive. VC Sir already said about the most unique offerings of Bragg University, and I think all of us already know it. The residential semester, right? Yes, as I am a Bragg graduate, definitely I should mention it. Because for one semester, you all need to go to summer semester for residential semester purpose. But don't be afraid, please. Trust me. This semester will be one of the memorable semester in your entire Bragg life. But this will be also the entire lifetime, definitely. It's a memory for your entire lifetime. Normally, Bragg graduates, they want a statement on a regular basis. I mean, those who have completed residential semester, that during residential semester, you will cry twice. Yes, I am repeating it again. You will cry twice. First one, when you will go to residential semester, because in that time you are leaving your family. So definitely some of you will cry. And the most interestingly, and the last one is, when you will leave the campus, you will again cry. Yes, the fun part is that you will again cry, because already in the video you see some of the snapshot of the residential semester campus, I mean summer campus. You will definitely miss the beautiful green campus. Beautiful green campus, I'm again repeating, beautiful green campus. The big field, normally in Dhaka we don't see any, we can't see any big field. The village tour, the social lab, the historical place visit, and the fun parts, library, labs, all the fun parts with friends. Definitely you will miss it, and this is the memory for your lifetime, definitely. Apart from academic things, Bragg University has encouraged students to do co-curricular activities besides their studies. So for these co-curricular activities, they are offering a number of clubs and forums. Sir already mentioned there are 35 clubs and forums currently, plus minus maybe. I was also a member of BRAC University Business Club BSB. Fortunately, I was the additional vice president of BRAC University Business Club. As a part of organizing different program, I had the opportunity to meet some of the giant person on that time, definitely, and probably this time, Mr. Shahid Shiraz, Mr. Anisul Haq, former APCCA president, Mr. Dan Mozina, former US ambassador to Bangladesh. So I was basically, I met him for different event organizational purpose, different organized purpose. So BRAC University Business Club, it gives me the opportunity to learn 3 things. Number 1, leadership traits. Number 2, communication skills. And number 3, organizational capabilities, which is the most important thing, I think. And number 4, to say, the capabilities to say something here. Because for many club activities, I have to stand there and I have to say different things for the audience. So, but apart from, if I was talking about the co-curricular activities, but one thing I need to mention so strongly, please keep a balance of your grades and co-curricular activities. Because if you concentrate more on co-curricular activities, I know, in recent job market, I have already mentioned that the competition is tougher than ever. So please be prepare yourself and make sure that you have a best combination of resources so that you can get an extra edge among other students and other job seekers. So keep a good CGPA right from the very first semester, because in the later semester it will be tougher for you with the upper level courses. And definitely our respected faculty members will be there. Please consult with them at regular consultation hour, so you can easily solve any kinds of problem with them. So in addition to, if I say in addition to healthy CGPA, healthy co-curricular activities, please engage yourself in different competitions and events. Like a number of events, you will see a number of events like Battle of Minds, Big Masters, and so on. So please engage yourself, because you are reading something from your book, but you don't know how to solve a real life case. You don't know how to implement this theory to the real life case. So by attending these types of events, by attending these types of competition, you can implement your theories to a real life. So which will be helpful for your future life when you will solve so many problems in your job life. Because in your job life you have to solve so many problems, you have to find out new solution, and think out of the box is one of the major criteria for your success in the job life. So I'd like to end my speech by thanking the BRAC University authorities for giving me the opportunity to share my experience in front of the new joiners of BRAC University. So welcome to the new joiners and enjoy the journey, definitely. Thank you so much.